Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we're going to be installing Pinestraw. All right, this is a good one to really explain the prep, the bed preparation for the Pinestraw installing. So, as you can see, we've got a bed here. You can see the outline. It's extremely grown up with weeds, as you can see all through here. So what we're going to do is we're going to define a line of the bed. We're going to weed eat all this down, and we're going to spray it with a commercial weed killer. If you don't prep the beds, what will happen is if you just weed them down and try to throw the Pinestraw on just to kill the weeds, it's not going to go down like that. In about 2 weeks, your beautiful Pinestraw is just going to start getting picked up. So we're going to show y'all how we prep the beds, and we're going to show y'all how we install the Pinestraw. Pinestraw is probably one of the quickest instant gratification things you can do. You know, if you just really want to brighten up your house and get it looking good for some company or something, Pinestraw is the way to go. All right, got this one weeded it down. We're going to do a circle right here. We're going to try to grow some grass right there. So we're going to spray this. We're going to put some Pinestraw behind in there. Let's see how we made a distinct line. And now I'm just gonna make sure I just go over and paint every bit of them weeds. That way, them weeds don't come back. All right, she's prepped up, ready to go. Weeds are slowly dying. Y'all hear them? Help! First Choice killed me! So we got everything prepped up. That way there's no surprises coming in a couple weeks. So we got all this sprayed up. It's wet right now. We can't put out the Pinestraw. We're letting it dry. It really needs about 30 minutes. Let's go check on the guys in the back. All right, backyard is weeded down, edged. We got a distinct line of where our bed's gonna be. We got the spray master prepping the beds over there. Now all we gotta do is take a break, let this stuff dry, and put some nice fluffy Pinestraw in. All right, time to sling some straw. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Pinestraw, make it nice, thick throughout, and then see our line right here. We're actually gonna shake the straw out about 6 inches. I'll show you right here. So we'll shake it to here, my line there, and then we'll use the blower to curve that Pinestraw. That way, when it settles, it all settles nice. There's no bare spots, but that rounded edge makes it where the wind doesn't pick it up and blow it, and it just keeps it looking real nice, and a distinction between the lawn and your flower beds. All right, let's roll these Pinestraw edges. Ooh, I love it. We have just brought together this whole landscape. This right here is the finished product. A very nice, thick consistency of Pinestraw all under the plants, everything tucked. It's gonna look really good months down the line and not just today. I really pride myself on, you know, doing things the right way. That way they keep looking good. All that. I'm showing you what the other people don't. Back behind, not just the front. See that consistency? That pride we take in our work. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Hope y'all enjoyed.